India is celebrating 75 years of independence, and in these 75 years, there are multiple areas, whether it be road, railways, aviation, shipping, where we have witnessed growth and development. But there is one area which has seen no change. Yes, we are talking about the taste, the delicacy of India, the various cuisines, and to witness and to see one such example is the old famous Jalebi Wala in Chandni Chowk, Old Delhi. The shop established in 1884 is still maintaining its legacy, and over here the delicious jalebis that is being served to customers is still being served with the same love, with the same passion that when it was established in the year 1884. And what is the reason behind why people love so much the old famous Jalebi Wala? Is it just the taste or some other factor? So we'll be talking with Mr. Abhishek, who is the owner of this shop and the fourth generation to maintain the shop. Sir, thanks a lot for talking. My first question would be, 1884 it was established. What are the factors that still so many people, number of people, they enjoy jalebi, they come to this shop and specifically for jalebi. What do you want to say for this?
So if you want to sell food, it has to taste good. If it's not good, if it doesn't taste, good enough, no one will buy it.
Okay. In 1884, if you can just share the story, which is quite interesting, that it was started with an investment of just 2 rupees. What was it? What was that interesting story? And from rupees 2 till date, what are the changes that you have seen?
It was the year my great grandfather got married and he got 2 rupees in dowry. So with that 2 rupees, he came to Delhi to make his fortune.
Okay. And with that 2 rupees,
He started this business, sir.
Okay. And now you are the fourth generation.
Yes, I am the fourth generation.
Okay. What sort of changes you have seen? Because when it was started, and now what I'm seeing that it is being sold for rupees 600 for just 1 kg. That's quite a hefty amount because jalebis are made everywhere, and then the prices are quite also low as compared to the old famous jalebi wala.
So, my great grandfather on his deathbed only gave us one advice, to use the best raw material available in the market. So we still maintain that policy. We buy the most expensive things, the most expensive raw materials, the best ghee in the market. That's why it costs a little more than the others.
Usually, what is the footfall? In the sense that if there is a peak day, there is a weekend, then usually how many number of people they come and enjoy jalebi over here?
So due to Corona, business is still a little low,
Okay.
but we have good sales. It's doing well. If the Corona doesn't come this season, we'll do very, very well.
Okay. So usually 1,000, 5,000 might cross a day.
So it's like you don't count. From a man you don't ask his age.
Okay.
From a woman you don't ask her age, and from a man his income.
That makes sense. In addition to jalebi, what all delicacies one can enjoy over here?
So in Chandni Chowk,
Yeah. No, I'm specifically talking about the old famous jalebi wala.
so we only make a few things. We make samosas, rabdi, and jalebi. That's it.
Okay.
And we use the best quality for all these things.
Okay. But with the passage of time, we have seen that number of other good eating joints that have also come up in Chandni Chowk. Okay. So how the things have actually evolved when it comes to Chandni Chowk regarding the food joint, eating joint.
So more the better. More businesses will attract more people to eat.
Okay.
So when they'll come to Chandni Chowk, they'll definitely come to me as well.
Okay. So now the foreigners also come quite in a good number, I have seen.
So after Corona is the first time we are seeing them back. So yeah, lots and lots of them.
Okay. So here is the beautiful, the delicious jalebi from the old famous jalebi wala. It has just came out from the kadhai, and as you can see, the chashni being dipped in chashni, and that is ready to be served to customer. But yes, one has to pay a good amount because 100 gram of this jalebi cost rupees 60, a kg cost around rupees 600, served with rubbery. So that is the old tradition which is being followed. But yes, the taste or the delicacy is still being maintained, and that is the reason. If you see that people in huge number from almost all corners, they come over here, they enjoy the jalebi, and the owner also quite maintains it that yes, when it comes to taste, then the best has to be delivered. With camera person Dilip, this is Samir Dikshit for IT Now.